Hi, my name is Kate Broussard. I'm a physical therapist with Baton Rouge Physical Therapy Lake, and I'm coming to you today with a little bit of a running tip to help you with your training for the Golden Fliers race. The exercises that we're going to be talking about today are something called clam shells. They progress from low level all the way to high level, and what these are working on is to strengthen and stabilize the hips to help reduce some of the force that the knee takes with those higher mileage runs. So, starting position for this exercise, you're going to be laying on your side. And you want to do this on a surface that's a little bit more firm, not something like on your bed or on the sofa. Either the floor or a table is much more optimal. This is your starting position here. You want to be directly on your side with your knees and your feet stacked on top of each other. You do want to make sure that the hip that is on top is rotated forward relative to the hip on bottom. Clam shell number 1, the lowest level, involves keeping the heels together and lifting only at the knee. So, rotating up towards the ceiling and then coming back down nice and slow. When you do this movement, you do want to make sure that that top hip doesn't roll back as you lift that knee. So you want to keep that hip rolled forward and raise only at the knee and then lower slowly. Clam shell number 2 involves keeping the knees together, lifting at the foot. So knees together, rotate that foot up towards the ceiling. And lower slowly. Clamshell number 3 involves combining clamshells 1 and 2. So we start with lifting the knee, stabilizing here, rotating the foot, bringing the foot back down, and finally the knee. Always, always remembering to keep that top hip rolled forward. So knee, foot, foot, knee. Clamshell number 4. This one is the highest level of the clamshell exercise progression. You will most likely feel this one the most in your gluteal musculature. If you start to notice that those muscles are burning, that's a very good thing. It means you're working the right spot. Clamshell number 4. You're going to lift the whole leg, then push backwards, stabilize here, rotate the foot, bring the foot back down, and lower the entire leg. And those are your clamshell exercises 1 through 4, and those will help to strengthen and stabilize your hips, which should allow you to run further miles without having as intense of a knee pain. And that's all we have for you today. Thanks.